Hey guys, so I just found a great way to troll people. Alright, so first of all, you may notice I have a wood portal in my den, and this is what we're gonna go. So we're gonna go to Alden, and we're gonna go to Jama Township, and we're gonna find a random this person right here. Let me click them. Let me click. You know what? I have a better idea. I did this earlier with this account. Okay. And I went into this person's den, alright? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. That was intense. That was intense. Oh boy, okay. Oh. Alright, I'm scared. Oh. Okay. That's just weird. You know what? I'm not gonna do that one. Okay, that was intense. So basically, what we have to do is not do that to the screen. We go to Alden, find a rare person that here we go. Okay, that's not okay. Let's do this random wolf here. Let's see. Okay, and they have to accept my buddy request. Please accept. Please. Yes. Okay. Now we go back to our den. Okay. Watch this guy. Okay. We go here and we go. I think that was the account. Yeah, that was. And then we have to go to the den, and then we have to go. Okay, it's perfect. Alright, now what we have to do, children, we have to go to a different place, alright? And then what we have to do is say, go through Portal My Den for HD giveaway. And then people go into my den. They go into my den and they go into the portal. But then, you know what happens, children? There is a HD giveaway. That's what I've been doing for a little bit because I was just bored. So let's try and get some people to go and get some headdresses. Oh boy, what am I doing? Okay. So we go here and then we say, go through Portal My Den for a HD giveaway. And then we wait for go through Portal My Den for an HD giveaway, kids. And we wait for people to go, and then they go into this person's den, and then okay, why is anyone going to my den? Don't you want headdresses, kids? Come on, I know what you want. Is my den locked? No, it's unlocked. Okay, good. Come on. Go to my den. Go through Portal My Den for an HD giveaway. Go to my portal. Go through Portal My Den for HD giveaway. Please just go through my portal in my den. I am so lonely and so bored, and this is so entertaining. Okay. One person's gone into the portal. Alright, I saw it. Okay, go through Portal My Den for HD giveaway. Go through Portal My Den for HD giveaway. Go through. We know. Come on, kids. I know you want to do this. Go through Portal My Den for giveaway. For a headdress. Because everyone loves headdresses. Is so angry that Tills Zeos. Wait, what? Oh boy. Anyways, I'm just really bored, so I guess we should go check up on this giveaway here. So let's go to the portal in Den, and then we go here, and then we see what the dramas happen. Alright, here we are, kids. This is where we are, and someone else came into the den, and they're here. Oh boy, we still need more people. We need more people to troll. Alright, you know what? We're gonna say, meet me in your den. Alright, because this is what you do. Let's go to your den. Yeah, alright. Let's go to your den. Nice username. Thank you. Thank you if you were talking to me. Okay. These are some nice. I'm sad that I'm trolling them. Alright. Peckos. HD giveaway my den through portal. Oh my gosh. Go through portal my den for a giveaway. Please, for a giveaway for HD. Giveaway HD. My den portal. I can't spell. Okay. My den portal. That crap, I just spit all over my computer. My den portal. Go through portal in my den for HD. Please go in my den for HD. Go through portal in my den for HD. Giveaway. Okay. Alright. So we got all those people. Oh boy. Ashlet21. Alright. This is the part where we do this because I think she's in her den. Oh boy. I don't want. And oh wow, you got some decent stuff on there. Wow. Nice. Alright. Are you in your den? Are you in your den? Are you okay, they're not in your den. They are not in the den. Alright. They're here. So that means I'm gonna go to their den. Oh man, there's so many people here. Try this at home, kids, if you want to be trolled. Anyways, guys, I didn't get much of a reaction there. Hold on, I really need this person to go to your den. Let's go to your den. Come on, go to your den. 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 This person isn't going to their den. This is sad. Well, guys, I did this earlier with that other person that I showed you. With this person right here. Oh boy, okay. They locked it for their buddies only. And basically, I got such a big reaction. So I went on this account, said, HD portal my den, go there if you want HD giveaway, please go there. And they went into the portal, and there was that wolf, and there was a fox and a wolf. And basically, a wolf said in there, and there's like a tree, and I went in with this, because I didn't want them to notice on this account, because they would know that that's me, and this is a totally different looking animal, and different username and stuff. And we went in there, and I was hiding in a tree, and basically, the fox was like, I think there's someone in my den, and then I was in the tree, I hid in the tree, and then the wolf is like, it's probably a glitch, I don't see anyone, and they didn't know I was still there, so they kept talking, and then the wolf was like, so the reason why I'm here is because someone in a Pondale was screaming HD giveaway my den in the portal, blah blah blah. I can't English today. And so they went in the portal, and then they're like, I'm so confused, and it was a mess. And then they realized that I was there, so they went down. And because it was their den, they moved the they moved the tree aside, and then they saw my username, and then I just made a run for it. And I got a Jamgram. I'm going to check that really quickly. Oh my god, they're at the den. Oh my god, okay. They're at the den. Is there anyone else in this den? Oh yes, there are people in that den. Okay. Oh gosh, okay. Oh, let's go to the den. Let's hide over here. Okay, let's see what they're saying. Are they saying anything? Are they saying anything over there? Oh, I'm not gonna move. I'm just gonna stay up here. I'm gonna stay up here as my wolf. No one's saying anything. Say something. Oh no. Abort mission. Abort. They saw me. I have to delete this. Go. Run. Ooh, there's a skeleton. Go subscribe to Scout. Run, 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 run. Abort mission. Abort, abort, abort. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that troll. If you want to check that out, oh my god, there's so many people in this then. Run away. Okay. If you want more random weird videos like this, then tell me and subscribe. I'm getting closer to 100 subscribers. So if you have any suggestions what I should do for 100 subscribers, tell me in the comments. I need suggestions because I'm running out of video ideas. Cough, cough, cough. Not running out of video ideas. But I think this was a pretty entertaining video. I hope. Did you enjoy this video? Did you enjoy it? Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this troll, and if you want, try it for yourself. If you got 2 diamonds on you, go buy, or 1 diamond, I don't know how much portals are. Go do this, do this, do this, do this, go do that, and start trolling people. Oh my god, I saw someone talking. Someone was talking, someone was talking, someone was talking. Alright, go in the corner, 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 blah, blah, blah. Someone left. Someone left. Sold out. Someone said sold out. Lol. XD. So you're sold. Okay, okay. Sold. Alright. Anyways, guys, I have 15 diamonds. I have 6. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. What did you need, Jim? No, no, go! Abort mission, abort, abort, abort mission, abort mission. Run, run, run. Okay. This was supposed to end like a minute ago. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this troll, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.